So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description to download CCleaner. So you're going to click on free download. Now it's going to start downloading automatically. And now I'm just going to click on it. And we're going to install it to our computer. Click on yes. Click on install. And now we have it installed. I'm just going to untick view release notes and then click on run CCleaner. And now we're going to click on start CCleaner. I'm just going to decline this. Close out all this. And then once you've done that, you want to click on tools on the left hand side. And then you want to click on registry. Now once you're in registry, you want to select everything. And then you want to click on scan for issues. Let this load. And then once it's loaded up, you want to click on review selected issues. And then you want to click on yes for the backup. We're going to back up the registry. Click on yes. Then we're going to save the backup to our desktop. I'm just going to call it registry backup. And click on save. And now you want to click on fix all selected issues. Now it's been done. Now you want to close this out. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you can just click on the service that you want to stop or start. So let's say I want to do Windows Update. You just want to right click on it and then you can now start it. And you could also stop it as well if you want to. But if this does not work, then restart your computer and then it should let you do it. But this should already fix your problem.